Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran in Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 3. اليوم أكملت لكم دينكم وأتممتم عليكم نعمتي ورضيت لكم الإسلام دينا. Today I have completed your religion for you and perfected my favor upon you and have chosen Islam as your religion. The Prophet ﷺ said, the best dua is the dua of the day of Arafah, and the best of what I and the prophets before me have said is La ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu, lahul mulku wa lahul hamdu wa huwa ala kulli shayin qadir. There is no God but Allah alone, without any partner. To Him belongs the kingdom, and to Him belongs all praise, and He is powerful over all things. Shaykh bin Baz rahimahullah said, so the day of Arafah is a great day. There is not a day in this world where Allah emancipates persons from the fire like the day of Arafah. So it is necessary to make a lot of dua and exert oneself making dua and frequently saying La ilaha illallah, since it is a dua. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.